Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to upload YouTube Shorts directly from your PC. It is quite simple, but you need to follow a couple of key steps so that your video actually get recognized as a short. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So the thing start from preparing the video. You need to make sure that your video is in the vertical format, which is 9:16 under 60 seconds. It is a common size, or in the pixel I will add it here in the description. If it is longer or not vertical, YouTube won't tag it as a short. So you need to make sure that it is in the vertical format. So once you have your video ready, you need to come here on youtube.com in web browser and then log in into your account. Over here, click on the option of your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then go to your YouTube studio. Over here in your YouTube studio, simply click on the option of create, then click on the option of upload video. After that, select the file which is the video which is in the vertical format and wait for it to upload. So once it is uploaded successfully, you need to hover over to the left hand section and go to the content option. Now over here, select the option of Shorts tab, and as you can see, this particular video is now uploading in the Shorts section because it is vertical, plus it has the length of only 60 seconds. Now you need to click on this pencil icon over here and start entering the video's title, description. You can also add the hashtag shorts here in the title, so you can type something like this. So this way YouTube will automatically place it in the short feed, so make sure that you add this tag as well. Now once you are done with it, simply click on the next option in the bottom right hand corner. After that, you can make it unlisted first, because if there is any problem, YouTube is gonna check it for you, and if there is any problem, you can just make changes into it. Afterwards you can make it public, so you can save this video just like so. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.